Hi guys, it's your girl Shanice and welcome back to Vlogmas Day 5. If you've made it this far into our Vlogmas series, and I say or because you know it's me and the boys, then don't forget to subscribe. Like, come on, like it's definitely a vibe over here. So today I did a little bit of, beauty therapy. I just did my lashes. So if you guys want to see how I took my lashes from this to this, then continue watching. And I did this with simple cluster lashes that you guys can get from Amazon, Shein, and it's so basic but it elevates your face, your look in just 1 2 3. Like, it's so easy to install. If you're somebody who is looking to do home installation for your lashes, cluster lashes, then continue watching this little segment in my Vlogmas series, and then we'll catch up a little bit later. Okay guys, so today we're gonna be working. Before we even get into the lashes, guys, I am struggling. Well, my camera lens looks so maybe need to wipe off. Rule number 1, wipe those camera lenses. Hopefully you guys can see me a little bit better. But yeah, I'm going to be applying some cluster lashes today. I got these lashes, I think, off either Shein or Amazon years ago, and it is a wreck. I don't even want you guys to see this. So this is where I put like the glue, and these are all the lashes that are in there. I've used 1 2 3 4 5 rows already, and these were just a little bit too long for my liking, but I have no choice today but to use them. So let's see how fast we can get this done. This is the glue that I'll be using. It's a bit dried up and it's hair glue. Yes, please don't tell me that this is not safe for me. Trust me, I know. So I usually just put a little on the cover, and then I go ahead and I remove the clusters that I'll be using. No, so them here long, but I'm scared. Oh my god, I use off all the short ones. I use off all the 8mm. This is 8mm too, but them look extra full. Alright, maybe I just the fullness. Don't worry yourself, Shanice. So we're gonna start off with the 12. Get a little close up. I don't know if you guys can see, but we're starting off with the 12. Putting the 12 at the end, the 10 in the middle, and then the 8 at the front. Alright, so I just hold it like this, and I take up a little bit of glue on the top side of the lash. I just use my finger, remove the excess, and then I give it a good little blow to like dry it down a bit so it can get tacky. So, yes, my love. I did not prep. Give me a second. I did not prep my lashes. I didn't do anything to my lashes.
It's not what I signed up for. Melon should be the one dying. This iron golem actually saved his life. That's it. I've got to stop this. I've got to stop this golem. And Mr. Iron Golem, what do you taste? My infinity gauntlet. Absolutely obliterated. One shot.
As you can see, that was a fail.
Zombies to melon.
I guess enough glue wasn't on this. Let me put some more glue. Tell me what you say you need. Orange. Give me a sec, baby. Mommy's hot. Can you get the fan for me, please? Just pull it out the room for me. Alright, so let's try this again. So planning on going on the road later today, but I'm looking a bit dusty, so like that not put on good either. No, so I feel like I need to move. My location is getting to me. Hold on, guys. Yes, I'm back again. I got cut off a while ago, and as you can see, I've already placed like 3 of the 12mm clusters at the outer corner of my lashes. Please don't fall. Alright, so I have my mirror here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and continue. So the trick is to get up as close as possible. Murder. The trick is to get as close as possible to a mirror so you can actually see your lash line. So I guess that's why it wasn't working for me over there. And I was gonna put 3 12mm, but I ended up putting 4. So let's work with 4, 3, and probably 2 at the end. So I'm now going in with my 10mm, and this is what it's looking like. So I pull from the base of the lashes. If you pull from the tail, sometimes they kind of like pull out, the little hairs pull out. And I don't want that to happen, so I pull from the base whenever I'm removing it from like the little sticky surface. This is one of the 10mm. Oh my god, the breeze are blowing the lash, guys. I want it to give natural. I don't really want the dramatic look. Definitely going for a more natural vibe.
Sonny, okay, on the real, what are you wearing, bro? And where did you get it from? And how do I get some? Well, the chest only had enough for the true seeker of the power, which was me, because I went on a grand adventure thousands of blocks past the mushroom.
So it's looking. So guys, I'm just gonna finish up and come back to you when both are done. 2/8 on this lashes.
No.
Jamir, your father gonna leave me, let me hurry up. And I have to go and get you guys ready. Right?
No.
I need to focus. I want daddy to leave me here.
You didn't stay with us and help.
Stay with you and do what?
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
Yeah, have a nice day.
Careful, careful. You can't touch me, my love. I'll stick out my eye.
I am putting the hair on the back of your head back. Hi, Dua. We are going to. Yeah, we're going to somewhere. Yeah, we're going to the supermarket, Dua.
What? Alright. Alright, Champion. Alright, go talk to Jewel. She's home.
This is what through the window, I can't really see you, but
what did
put
you
your
see?
face to the window, to like
Yeah, because I'm looking in a mirror.
and all I saw was like eyes just looking. So
And Jamir too.
I was like, what is going on?
Jamir is just
When we're in that box,
invading my get ready with me. Where's the box? She had the food. She had the food from me, Jamir. Change the plans when I bring the boy then. Yeah, babe? Alright, I'm basically finished. Change the plans when I'm taking the boys. So this time we actually can get in and out a bit faster, because if you guys know how it is with kids, it's not pretty. Almost done, and I'm sure you guys can see the difference already. Like, I just love how lashes just elevate our faces, our eyes, and just accentuates the natural shaping of our eyes. And I don't know, I'm trying to enter my soft girl era. So I'm trying to enter my soft girl era, which means I have to stay, maintained at all times. And I'm not a girly girl in any way, shape, or form. Like right now, my nails aren't even done, right? But I just love how vibrant my face look, or how bright my face looks when I do my lashes. And sometimes I do your hair, and your hair just bring up your features, as them say. But I find that sometimes even when my hair isn't done and I do my lashes, I still look so cutesy. And I love that, right? So if it's one thing I'm gonna do, if it's one thing I can commit to doing, is the lashes. I might not be able to commit to the nails right now, but we're working on it, okay? So this is OOTD. Like, why the boy them do the mirror like this? Wearing this little orange top, a little shorts, and my Crocs. Can y'all see? So this is the fit for the day. But teach us some ground rules. What do you shoes? Jeez, no man not have your shoes. AC and the vlogging now. Yes, me. I don't drive with AC, so. I drop me, I can't go on. Do you think?
No, it's alright. I threw the camera and pull it on. I'm not blast.
Amen. Alright, let's go.
I'm gonna drive the thing there.
Take a tour.
No, I'm gonna.
The sun is giving right now.
Then back is
Like
Greater
it's-
Portmore.
The glow.
Then back on the Greater Portmore.
It's a Greater Portmore Island. I want to think Greater Portmore close to up Hillshire side.
Somebody say.
Is Hillshire side?
No, not far from in person.
Like further up.
Oh.
Greater Portmore is Greater Portmore. Another one of Portmore.
It's greater than the regular old Portmore.
Now the place in Greater Portmore, like Independence, to Waterford and
Yeah.
Edgewater,
Independence City, I wasn't for them.
everything is a Greater Portmore.
So we're in Greater Portmore and we're going to Price Mart to do a little shopping. This is Christmas shopping. Is that everything in one, all in one shopping? Then I fix the road to a beer dust and a beer traffic. So, you hungry?
Yeah,
I'm
come on.
hungry too. Want some more water?
Water, you want to pour it apple over my mouth.
I should have get up.
Yeah, you should have given up.
Gosh.
I'm gonna say that I buy a pizza on there.
Yeah, well, hopefully the shopping will take too long and we can go grab some.
Them pizza actually better than
all of the other pizza
than
there.
them.
Yeah. And I love a Pizza Hut pizza, but some more Price Mart pizza. They might give me the recipe because the crust is good. You know, Domino's crust is literally cardboard. So sometimes I like Domino's toppings, but the crust is just trash. So we usually go Pizza Hut. Yeah, and the size. And it's affordable because isn't it way cheaper than or the same? Yeah, roughly the same. A little bit cheaper than Pizza Hut pizza. So Price my pizza for the win, guys. Comment and let me know if y'all are a fan of Pizza Hut, Domino's, or Price my pizza. So let's put it to a vote. What is this? This sound like Carrie Hilson.
What size is it? 70? I think it's 65.
It's a 70.
I don't know, I think it's a 70. Wow.
This is nice. Guys, we're in Price Mart. And we're just window shopping at this point. I'm joking, but this is not what we want. This is not our aisle, but we're just looking. We're here to mainly buy like food items. I'm always overwhelmed when I come at these places with a bag of things because everything I see I want, but as we know, we have to keep focused. We're here to get food items. We're here to Christmas shop. Listen to me, what is over here? This one I buy WD-40. Where is WD-40 for? Oh my god. You can get a WD-40, sir. 1 gallon. I have to look on WD-40. So this is the car aisle. Oh, they have like nice car covers. Buy some air freshener for the car. You getting it? Need some WD-40 for your waistline. Murder. Nobody said nothing, Jason. I beg of you. You used to use this back in the day? This is the Krusty's buttermilk pancake.
Yeah, used to last.
I've never had this one before. Them have biscuit. The boys love pancake. This one, original. They all look the same to me. We gotta get syrup for the pancake. Who is Mrs. Butterworth? I don't know her. I know Aunt Jemima. Imagine good Aunt Jemima. No more Aunt Jemima. There was some controversy. Oh, so them have slave name. Yeah, so they end up changing it. Them have honey. We've been needing some honey. What do you think about this? Pure island honey. Yeah, because we don't have no honey. And the boy them always sick. We always use honey for like cough. And you know the boy them always sick. So mix it with like some lime and rum. What? I'm not hearing a word what you say. I'm not hearing a thing. Like we're going in circles. Oh, they don't even know, you know. No, it don't matter to me. Tastes so much better. If you know me, you know I'm a Grace girly, of course. You like butter beans or no? I like them. So you don't make them with saltfish. So that's what you say? But that's what you said. That's why I'm gonna take up 2 sausage. I look in sweet corn and mixed veg now. No! Stop it now. Sorry. I look in, but I don't see the Grace sweet corn. If it's not Grace, I don't want it, man. Kendall? Grace. Who's Kendall? Sorry. No, like, I feel like I can taste the difference with the brands. Oh, I see mackerel over there, so Jason. Get me a pack of peppered mackerel. I love mackerel. I don't know about Jason, but me love a mackerel. And well, sardines, you don't eat sardines.
We eat sardines.
Jason don't eat sardines. We can't do them eye chest man, you know, but them don't eat sardines.
I used to tell him, look at it, say, only the fish out of the sea.
Yeah, that guys, they don't eat the fish out the sea. They only eat the fish out the sea, they don't eat the tin fish. Well, me love my tin fish, isn't it? So, mackerel, the spicy ones, does it for me.
What's that?
Hi guys. Jamir Alice, you know. Never see a young man love cup soup. And ramen.
What's the bill?
The bill not dicey. People.
Can you talk? Turn it that way.
Guys, they have fruit cake. I've been wanting to try their fruit cake for the longest. Or should I just bake? So you think we should get fruit cake or should I bake? Should I put on my baker's hat this Christmas and make a fruit cake? Yeah. You're not gonna say no. You're not gonna say no. Alright guys, so I'm gonna bake a fruit cake this Christmas. What's that? Almond milk. Them some for bake guys. So I'm gonna make a fruit cake. I'm gonna make a bad fruit cake this Christmas. Excuse me. But that would have mean I would have to soak like my fruits and them thing there. I never soak my fruits. For all the bakers guys, let me know in the comments if you think I can soak fruits for like a week or 2, because I have like 2 to 3 weeks left until, well, let's call it 2 weeks. So tell me if I can soak fruits in 2 weeks to make a bomb fruit cake. okay, it's okay. Oh yes. Where's the cat in there? I'm on your Facebook, IG. What's your name? Julian JJ. Oh, J-Bliss. Yeah. From way back in the day, though. Oh my goodness, how you even recognize me? I don't. Oh my God, I don't like when people tell me that I don't look any different. I'd love to hear that I've changed.
No, it's just the same.
Oh, well, it was lovely meeting you. Old. Okay, okay. Alright, take care. Yeah, man. Alright, guys, I got grapes for Jameer. And I think we're done shopping. So we're gonna go check out now. Excuse me. So we're gonna check out and then I'm gonna head to the food court. That is it. Alright, so we're getting some pizza from the menu. I also want chicken bake. I've never tried the calzone before. But we did eat some. Hi, so I'm here with a childhood friend because we know each other from like birth, baby stage, baby diaper stage, and I haven't seen her in ages.
Only on Instagram.
Only on IG and TikTok. Hit up on TikTok. So she just told me that she subscribed to my channel. So I want to tell the people them to go and subscribe as well.
Yes, go and subscribe to her channel, and remember you can go to her and get your dresses, customized
swimwear,
dresses, all of that.
everything.
Yes, you bad.
Thank you, darling. It was lovely seeing you.
You too.
Take care.
You too.
Oh yeah, get believe them woman. Afternoon. I hear that you guys are out at chicken bake. Or it's in the oven. You don't have none at all? Alright, can I get the whole pizza please? Pepperoni.
Calzone.
No chicken bake, no calzone. We just work with a pizza. Pay by card. Can inserts. Top feature, don't worry. Like a purse. Why are you doing that? Let me see a purse, man. Wow, that's so disrespectful. That's so disrespectful. I'm gonna let them cancel you. Okay, here. Alright, no worries. Is it for that? Is it for that?
Yeah, what?
Is it for that?
Yeah, what?
First, I go for the internet.
Simple.
Go on the internet. How
Alright,
cute,
yeah, do it
how
in
cute is he in that little purse? How much you pay for your purse? So cute.
Sajid, want to take out the NCV machine at specific time?
Pepperoni?
Like boxes.
Should I put an extra one in here, man? Thank you.
Here you go.
Alright, thanks much. It's all about just pizza. So that's where we buy juice. Alright guys, so we've concluded our Price Smart shopping spree. Well, it's not really a spree because we never really get much. There's so many other things that we need that we have not gotten as yet. But yeah, that's it. I'm starving, so me want a slice of the pizza there. As me going to the car, me a mash it up. Okay.
You know they get paid.
They get paid? So yeah guys, that's it for this spree. So I'm gonna catch y'all in a few, and I'm not gonna lie, we stayed within budget because we did estimate like 70 odd. Well, I'm not gonna even tell you, so I want you guys to leave in the comments and guess like what you think we spent today. So I want you to guess the supermarket bill. I'm gonna show you a little glimpse of the cart and you guess and tell me how much money you think we spent. Yeah, before me even telling you because pocket bun up. Oh park. That's the food for you. So guys, this is the card. Go ahead and leave your guesses. People them what are starving, guys. Here you go. Take it in. 2 or 1 side. Look at you go now. Pizza not hot. I prefer it when it's hot. We can go on. We got pepperoni. Try to get a wine, but you know. Javi is the boss and he only eats pepperoni. But them could have mixed it, don't it? Could I do half and half? They do half and half?
No.
What's this next? Oh. So guys, now I'll mash this up. And I'll catch you when I'm back home. You're picking up all the pepperoni on the pizza? Yeah. Javi loves the pepperoni, so you can give them to him. Yeah, Julie, want a slice of pizza? Okay, so we are back. Jamir, look what we got. We got a 6-pack of Malta for Jamir. You know, Malta in. I also got them this huge buttermilk pancake.
In a pack of this.
We got mainly snacks. So we ended up getting this pack of cheesies. We got Lash because you know they're Lash
Oh, a
lovers.
pack of cheesy. A pack of.
Yeah, we got your cheesies for
We got
school.
every pack.
Yeah, a pack of everything. And Jamir has Pringles. Jamir loves Pringles.
Yeah.
So these are supposed to last you for at least 3 weeks. I don't know who we're kidding. But yeah. 3 weeks. We got some garbage bags because we're always in need of garbage bags. Got sausage. Got some yogurt. Most of these stuff I'm gonna put pack out in the fridge now. So this is the last one. They only have the small ones. Got a pack of 6 yogurt, 6-pack Malta, cup soup, ramen of course, and I also got this air fryer liner. Where them flyer, man? You know, got the canned goods already, the sausage, butter beans, sardines, tuna, and we got juice for the kids. So most of these stuff are for them. So yeah. Don't you want me like I want you? There you go. You're welcome. What else is this? So these are all the canned goods. All the canned stuff over here. So let's just add the antler ears for a little festivity while we do this little grocery haul. So you know Christmas is coming up. Cooking another one. We got our bread. I mean, that's a usual thing to get our bread every week. And our bread usually lasts a week. I also got some grapes. What else is in this bag? We got curry powder. This is the better pack curry, you know, the best curry ever. Crackers. Got peanut butter. Oh, you took a peanut butter? Because Jason said no on peanut butter. After a while, the peanut butter start get fine, you know. Tastes disgusting. We got some pancake syrup for our pancakes. Also got mac and cheese. Toothpaste, of course, and a 2-pack of Jergens. Oh, I finally found honey. You know how long me I look honey? So this is the Pure Island honey. I don't know how it tastes yet, but I'll let you guys know. And we got some Maggie's chicken seasoning. More Lasco because as a Lasco family, come on. What else? That's about it. You got some soap and some other little things. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try and find space. Cooking oil, and almond milk. And that's it. Cup soup, yeah, I'm showing them the cup soup already. But all of them something here come up to 88 grand. I don't see it. This is just crazy to me. $88,000, but this is the economy that we live in, so just have to work with it. So I'm gonna go ahead and pack up all of this stuff, these bags, and try and clear up some space to pack them out. Jamir wants some Malta as usual.
Cool. Mommy, do I get one whole cup of it?
Sure.
Do I get this to drink out?
I was gonna pull it with my teeth, but let's be ladylike tonight and open it with this.
Yeah, we're good.
Look, Jamie, you just go like this. Pop it off. Yay.
Now I get one whole cup of milk.
Yeah, you can have it.
Wow.
What are you supposed to say?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you for my.
You give me some of your Malta?
You drink it all.
Yeah, one drop of Malta in your back to the...
I just first it.
Thank you, my love. You can have the rest. I want you to have it, okay? Alright, I am done cleaning up for the night. And that should be it. I packed away most of the items. Some of them just have a little stay out until we can find space for them. But as it stands, the girl is done for the night. What are you saying? You want to get the weight off your body? Where's the weight on your body? Show me your exercise. Leave Javi alone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 push-ups. Good job, Javi.
One more.
Okay, 11 push-ups. You're gonna get the weight off your body now. Don't worry.
I still have my weight. So I need to have one heavier weight. I can even down on me when I do push-ups.
You want Javi to lie down on your job here? I don't think that is safe.
It's kind of hard to make it.
That's not safe at all. Don't ever let me see you do that, okay?
Oh, hard. And I want to become skinny.
You want to become lean?
I want to become skinny.
Skinny? Why?
I want to learn how to need anything in the world.
You want to be the skinniest person in the world? You just want to put on muscle, build muscle, okay? That's better. What you say now, Javi?
Do you remember at the end of one video, in the end you said I'm gonna do one dance over and they give a bunch of likes?
Oh, yeah.
I wanna do it.
You wanna dance? Alright, we're gonna have to put on a shirt for you to dance, alright? Jamir is back and he's ready to do the dance. First, you gotta check if they like the video.
Do you like the video?
Wow, yay! Give him a round of applause, guys! What's wrong with these kids? Alright, Jamir, thank you for dancing.
Good job.
Who are you gonna do the push-up competition with? Who you want to challenge?
Daddy.
Javi, your brother is challenging you to a push-up competition.
Okay.
Come, Javi.
30, 40, 50, 60,
Javi, you have to go down. Go.
80, 90, 20.
Alright, start over. I'm counting. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3. Alright guys, so this is where I'm gonna go ahead and end today's vlog. Jamir, say bye bye. Say bye and I hope you. Jamir, if you know we can. Jamir, I cannot manage you. Come, let's end the vlog. Say like, share, and subscribe. Pull on your shirt. Come, like, share, and say the subscribe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to comment your favorite part of the video. Alright guys, so I'll see you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 6. Stay safe and have a holly jolly weekend. Until next time, bye.